need to disable this sound, but never mind, ignore that sound. Okay, so what I want to say that from last 1.5 year you are you are uh, with your online teaching learning. Okay, so sometimes you may have faced or you have done something which is not expected from you, and it leads to someone to be embarrassed, or you get embarrassed, or you embarrass others. So we must learn how to behave online. Okay, the first thing is that what do you understand by uh, cyberspace has a dark side. It has a dark side that you do not know whom you are talking, or to whom you are chatting. You may be thinking sometimes it is on social media that you are chatting with someone, they might be looking attractive and they might try to lure you and expose you to the things that is not appropriate for your age group. So it has a dark side, and you have to be very conscious. You should learn how to behave, how to not get trapped. We all have been acquainted with one of the greatest invention of the mankind. This is the greatest invention, that even in this pandemic you are sitting at home and still doing the attending the classes, still you are learning. You now the distance space time has been it has been removed. This is not an obstacle, that where you are, where I am, or where your study things are. What is more important is that you got the access of internet. So internet is an astounding place. It contains information about every topic the human brain can fathom. मतलब जो तुम सोचो, whatever you can think, it is there. So what happens, you are full of curiosity, you are full of questions. So sometimes questions are not being answered by your teachers or by your parents. So you look for, since you are having a powerful device in your hand, so you look for the answers there. So what you get, the answer may not be correct, or may not be appropriate for you for the time being. So the amount of data it holds is league beyond the imagination of the mind. तुम जितना सोचोगे नहीं, and when you start exploring the internet, that you realize कि अरे what a rich this platform is. You get every answer over there. So what is important is that you do not get carried away by the answers, and you start digging in. You have known to the superficial thing, and then you start digging into the other topics that is not useful for you. That is absolutely junk. That is absolutely killing your time, energy, and your reputation. So you are supposed to be behaving in such a way that you are to use your time in a most suitable way. ऐसा नहीं हो कि what you are doing, you have taken the phone for the something and you have done something else, and you have the result is something else, and the thing you wanted to do becomes what? Nothing. Zero. So what is that? कि how the cyber bully hurts. मतलब if you are, there are, I think there are many people who are in who are using socializing sites, socializing media, and they are befriended with the people whom they do not know. So if you are not knowing the person to whom you are befriended, what could happen? You never know the mentality, you never know the background, you do not know the anything about that fellow. So what he can do? He can harm you. He can use your picture. He can frame you. So when you are online doing something, बस्ट कि ऐसा फोटो या तो उस जगह, एक तो अजनबियों को फ्रेंड नहीं बनाओ, डू नॉट मेक फ्रेंड्स टू स्ट्रेंजर्स. Apart from that, you must not post your pictures publicly. There are so many settings. Unless you reach a certain age and you are clear of your mind that what you want to do and you are ready to accept the trolling. एक होता है ट्रेंडिंग, एक होता है ट्रोलिंग. तो ट्रेंडिंग में तो बड़ा मजा आता है, यू एंजॉय द अटेंशन एंड द फोकस, यू एंजॉय बीइंग इन द लाइमलाइट. लेकिन जब ट्रोलिंग होता है तो इट टेक्स योर it takes your mental, it increases your mental stress. और जिसमें तुम्हें वो चीज तुम्हें नहीं मिलता है तो you get, you know, very, you become upset, you go and you get into depression, you fight with your parents, you feel like that life is nothing. There are so many emotions that floods your mind. So if you are using socializing sites, or even the WhatsApp is also one of the socializing platform. So even there, if you are posting picture to hurt someone or to embarrass someone, it is very bad. It is not expected from you children that you do such kind of activities. So when something is shared, it is for the whole public to view. You're out not to do which will malign your figure, will you malign, which will malign your image. And sometimes people spread lies and rumors about you. तो what will happen, इस तरह से तुम्हारा क्या होगा, you will be very sad. If someone tells you that you are a cheater or you are not a person what you are showing yourself to be, then you will be hurt, right? So if it pretends to be, and he pretends to be you online, क्या करोगे? If he has known that you are the person, he has taken all the data about you and he posts the picture about himself that he is you, he or she is you. So people acquainted of you may be thinking that fellow, that fraud to be you, they will get entrapped with that fellow without even your knowing. And later on, the person who are being trapped or who are being cheated will blame you कि अच्छा it was because of you. So you have to be careful why what you post on the socializing site or wherever, or WhatsApp, any place. Dupes you into revealing personal information. तुम्हें cheating कर देगा तुम्हारे personal information को और ज़्यादा वो, it will try to take your personal information and it will eventually harm you. And sometimes it may tell you, it may threat you by text messaging or by sending pictures. So this is what cyberbullying is. So how to avoid this? How to avoid this? First thing, avoid exchanging picture or giving out email address and personal information to people you meet online. You know, in this online study time, we are very aware of each other's phone number, the email IDs, but we are in the closed group and we are almost knowing each other. But apart from here, you are not supposed to share your pictures or information or anything that will damage your figure. Never post your personal information. And now even if you are using socializing sites or wherever you are, there are settings, there are settings who can message you or who cannot message you, or who can see your picture, who can see your number, who can see your status, everything is there. So you get aware of those things and use it. Simply knowing is not important. What is important is that you know it and use it. So never post your personal information such as cell phone number, home address, or your location on the socializing sites, networking site, or through mobile apps like Snapchat or Instagram. आजकल this time it is a mobile location. WhatsApp पर location भेज दिया जाता है फट से, मतलब you don't need to do anything, just to put the location and you will reach the particular place. So you do not reveal your all information like this. Okay, so this becomes important that you behave in a certain way. Right. And next is, don't always trust your online न्यू फाउंड फ्रेंड्स, रिमेंबर द प्रीडेटर वेट्स पेशेंटली। प्रीडेटर मीन्स जो हमला करने वाला होता है, जो शिकार करने वाला होता है, वो पहले ये दिखाएगा कि यू आर योर, he or she is your friend, and then he waits for the right time and attacks you with what? Simply sir, only money cannot be stolen, your image can be stolen, your image can be tarnished। तुम्हारा नाम लेके कहीं कुछ और पोस्ट कर दे तो तुम्हें तो बुरा लगेगा ना। यू आर अ नाइस गाय, यू डू नॉट वांट टू be in the bad book of anybody, but if a person uses your name and post something, then who will be at loss? People will blame you whose name is there. So if someone is using your name, you have to be aware of this and inform everybody that no, it's not you, and with solid proof that it was not you. Make password long and strong. Use a combination of lower and uppercase letters along with symbols. I am sure that you know some people are in the habit of using the password 1 2 3 4 5 ABCD. Yeah, apna naam ka simply you put your name and it becomes your password. So you have to be careful that what kind of password you are using. Use all the characters so that nobody can steal your digital information. Link in email now. Nowadays, every link, every email ID is being attached to the phone number. If anyone is accessing it, what happens? You get the message. So link in email, tweets, post, and online advertising. Huh. One thing is very important, that online advertising, there are things that it alerts that you will win iPhone, or you will win 30 million, or you will win something or that, and people get attracted to that advertising and they click. Actually it is malware, it is virus, a it is a danger sign when you click any unknown link. Do not click any unknown link unless you are aware of it, you're sure of it। कोई फायदा नहीं है वो सब चीज के चक्कर में पड़ने का। When you will get the time, you will earn yourself the things that you want, so do not get carried away by the advertisement you see online। are often the way of criminals compromise your computer। कंप्यूटर से सारा डाटा चोरी हो जाएगा, the password will be stolen। There are things that you cannot imagine that exist। If it looks suspicious, even if you know the sources, it's best to delete it, or if appropriate mark as junk mail। मतलब delete तुरंत करो। If you are not sure कि okay it may be useful, तो keep it in the junk mail। Third thing, and now how to use, how to avoid such situation, to zip it. Whatever your personal information you are having, you zip it. The person who is harassing you, block it. And if something is happening and you want to express your things to someone, flag it. Means you trust, find a trustworthy person like your parents or brother or sister or cousin or friend, and tell about the truth. Do not hesitate to express your fear to anybody. Do not keep it to yourself. So these are very important, dear students. Do not do anything online that will put into you in a position where you do not want to, and you do not put others into that position that uh, they will feel embarrassed। So this is the thing I want to tell you, that before you post anything, before you do anything, if think before you click, okay? Thank you।